Today we will do the chapter Linear Inequation. What is linear inequation? When one thing is equal to other, we call it equation, correct? So when it is not equal, we call it inequation. Now, when it is not equal, it will be either less than or greater than, or it will be less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Then it is a linear inequation, a statement where one thing is not equal to another thing. It is called inequation. Okay, then it will be represented by such symbols, and these symbols will be called as connecting verbs. What are these symbols known as? They are known as connecting verbs. Okay. Okay. Now, linear inequation. To explain this, I give you an example. X minus 5 is less than 0 where x belongs to a whole number. Okay, this is my question. And now in my question, x is a variable. This variable I have to find out. Now, what does the question tell me? The question tells me that this variable is a whole number. What do I mean by whole number? Whole numbers are the numbers that start from 0. Okay? If I say it is a natural number, then number will start from 1. Not necessarily from 1, but it will be somewhere above 1 or equal to 1. Okay. Then if I say x belongs to z, what does it mean? It means it will be either a negative number or a positive number. Okay. Now in this question, I say x belongs to a whole number. So when I say x belongs to a whole number, it is a number above or equal to 0. Okay. Now, the set of whole numbers will be known as resolution set. Okay? Resolution set, or also known as universal set. The set of whole numbers to which x belongs is known as resolution set or universal set. Okay? Now, the answer what we will get after solving this equation, that answer will be known as solution set or truth set. Truth set. So x belongs to a whole number. The set of whole numbers will be known as either resolution or universal. And after solving the equation, the numbers I get or a number that I get will be either solution set or a truth set. Okay. Now, the numbers that are in the set are called elements of the set. Please remember that numbers that belongs to a set are known as elements of the set. These numbers are called as elements. Okay. Now, let's solve the equation. X minus 5 is equal to or less than 0. So, what can I do? I can say x is less than 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5. So, the number should be what? X is less than 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. So, x is less than 5. When I say x is less than 5 and it is a whole number, what my answer is? X might be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, my equation was x minus 5 is less than 0. I took 5 to the other side. Because it is minus 5, it became plus 5. Now the answer is x is less than 5. Because it is a whole number, x will start from 0. The solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Such an easy one. Now, I am showing you another example. 2x plus 3 by 5 is greater than 4x minus 1 by 2. I have to solve this. And what does the question say me? The question says that x belongs to whole number. So, the number will be either 0 or above 0. Okay. Now, how will I solve this? So, I will do 2x plus 3 cross multiplication into 2. I did a cross multiplication is greater than 4x minus 1 into 5. Let me solve this. 2 2s are 4, 4x plus 2 3s are 6 is greater than 4 5s are 20, 20x, 5 1s are 5 minus 5. Okay. Now what I'll do, 6, I will take 5 to this side, plus 5 is greater than 20x minus 4x. Okay. So I'll get 11 is greater than 20 minus 4 is how much? 16x. So then what can I do? 11 by 16 is greater than x. So friends, we got 11 by 16 is greater than x. Now 11 by 16 greater than x, then I saw that is 0.668 is greater than x. So x is less than 0.68. Because it said, the question said x belongs to whole number, which means x, the solution set answer is 0. Here in my first example, the solution set were 4 digits. In this solution set is only 1 digit. It can be 1 or more than 1. Okay. Here the answer, the solution set is 0. Okay. Thank you. The third example for the day is 2 by 3 by x. 2 by 3x plus 8 is less than 12. And again x belongs to w. So how should we do it? We'll do 2 by 3x is less than 12 minus 8. So it will be 2 by 3x is less than 4. Then x less than 4 by 2 by 3. Because this is a multiplication here, when I take it to the next other side, it will be division. So 4 by 2 by 3. How will I solve this? Now I have to take reciprocal of this. Because it's a division, I can't do it. It's a fraction. I will multiply it. 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 4 cancel. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So the answer is 6. So x is nothing but less than 6. So what will be my solution set? Now what was my resolution of universal set? My universal set was 0, 1, 2 and so on. Okay. That was my resolution set. What is my solution set? X is less than 6. So my solution set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is my solution set. Okay? Understood? Okay. Now these things, if the question says you to show this on a number line, how will you show it on a number line? It's very easy. On a number line, you have to take a graph book to do a number line. Okay? Mark 0. Because this is a whole number, I can mark 0 here. If it was an integer, that is z, then my 0 would have been here. So I'll show it from here. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is my number line. Though I am not using the negative numbers, I have just drawn it to show you people. Okay, 4, 5, it can go on till 6 and infinity. Okay, so I have to mark it. So I am marking the dots that are the answer. So this is my answer. This is my number line. Okay guys, solution set will have to be done on the graph book. You have to draw a number line, mark the numbers, and then whatever is the solution set answer, just darken those numbers. Okay? Fine. Any doubts, please tell me in the comment box. We'll come up quickly with some examination sums which will help you to score well in your mathematics. Thank you.